Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today girlies, today's video is another collab with the amazing Patreon girls of Alex Angels, and I'm going to leave all the girls' details down below so you can go and check them out and see what they've created. But today, if you haven't already guessed from the title, yes, it's a Valentine's look. So happy Valentine's Day to everybody out there. So I'm going to get myself all dolled up and booked a lovely meal for this evening. It's going to come about 6:30 and it's the local restaurant. We've booked for the Valentine's special meal, which we probably would have either gone to that restaurant or somewhere anyway. So yeah, the hubby always takes me out for dinner on Valentine's, so it's a bit weird, but tonight's gonna be special because we're gonna get the kids, we're getting them all dressed up and telling them that, you know, they've got to be ready for 6 o'clock so that their food when the food comes, and yeah, wine and dine the kids, obviously not the wine bit, but you know, they're gonna enjoy a bit of Valentine's evening with us too. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm gonna create a Valentine's makeup look. Get ready with me, and yeah, if you haven't already, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay, so let's start off with, I have no idea what I'm going to create, so as always we're just going to wing it and just go with the flow and see how the look comes out. My skin, oh my god, so I don't know if I think I mentioned it last week, but I had an allergic reaction to the face mask. So Penny had a hospital appointment last week and they made me change my face. I went in with a face mask and they made me change to one of their disposable ones, and I had an allergic reaction to it. It's better now, but oh my god, it was so sore, and I just literally have all this maskne, whatever you call it, but it was an allergic reaction to, you know, the disposable cloth ones. Oh my god. So yeah, it's been really sore, so I've been trying to not put any makeup on or whatsoever, and yeah, I just had it as an excuse to just like not film, and it's really bad, but we're gonna just cover it up because they have gone down. They were like big massive boils, they were absolutely disgusting, but yeah, so let's get into this. We're going to go in with the Instant Glow from Rodial, and this is a primer for a warm and flawless glow, which I absolutely love. Got a nice little slight fragrance to it, just smells clean and fresh. Okay, so just gonna apply that over it, and like I said, my face, it's sore. Ow, that's stinging because it's a bit raw. Honestly, they're so sore. Well, I'll be glad when we can like walk out that door and not have to go anywhere and put a mask on. Just can't wait to get back to normality. I might actually put a bit of concealer just to go over that. I don't think it's gonna work. Foundation is gonna cut it out, so I'm just gonna go in with a bit of Tarte. In fact, I'm not gonna use that. I'm just gonna do that and then blend it in with my finger so that doesn't get all infected either. I can't find my Miss Piggy mirror anywhere. Found this though, nice and big. So something's telling me that my skin isn't liking this primer at the minute, because as you can see, I don't know if I may zoom in, as you can see, it's gone all bitty all over my face. That means basically my skin doesn't want whatever's in that primer in my skin, so it's reacted to it. I look rough, don't I? It's reacted to it, and that's why it looks like it's got like a peel feel to it, because obviously there's something in it that my skin doesn't like or want. Oh my god, look at my, honestly, this is so sore. My whole face is just so sore, and it's really dry. I've been trying to keep on top of all my skincare, okay? It looks like, you know, when you put like toothpaste on your face before you go to bed, that's what this looks like. I better blend it in really. My nose is really runny. Sorry guys. Oh, it's a nice brush. Just gonna blend that in. Honestly, my face is so sore. Get rid of any redness that we've got going on. My skin has never ever been this bad. I think it's because we're stuck indoors. It's too cold. It's absolutely freezing. I look like a ghost now, but it's the right colour. It's absolutely freezing. I have been literally living in my dressing gown. I haven't taken it off my backside since I've purchased it because it's just so cold. My lips are really dry. Downstairs in the kitchen, it's all open plan and it's absolutely freezing. So we tend to just stay in the living room because it's nice and warm and the fire on, but I can't move around in the house because it's so cold. Let's put some lip balm on. I am a bit of a disaster, aren't I? But well, I'm sure we're going to fix this mess somehow. Oh, my skin is so dry. Okay, so I'm going to go in using the MAC Studio Fix, and it's got SPF 15, and this is I think it's a 24-hour. It's got 67 shades, and it's a 24-hour wear, and it's the new foundation from MAC, and I was sent this to test it out. So we've got a little tester here, and we're going to go in, and I'm using the shade NC25. All my products laid out so I know what order to go in because I don't want to mess this up. Okay, so let's go in with the foundation brush. See how those little sticky bits are annoying. I've got the rest of the brushes today, but I need to get this off. I will another time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pour some onto my hand. Just put a bit on and see how we get on. I haven't worn MAC foundation for years. Always used to use it when I first started wearing makeup. Just copied what my sisters were wearing on theirs. Oh god, now I know why I don't use it. Making my skin itch. Put a bit more on. So the colour, actually perfect. Why is my skin so bad? Oh god, I went through a point where my skin, my makeup, everything was going on so nicely. This is really sore, but at least we've got these all covered. My nose, my red nose. And we'll just take this foundation brush and we can just buff everything in. Okay, that's actually quite a nice colour. Oh, these spots. So yeah, that was a good colour match. Goes quite well. I'm then going to go in with some banana low lighter. Let's do a bit of highlighting, you know, get it proper glammed up. And then that's a nice little base for the eyeshadow. You know what I'm doing. Oh dear me. So go in with the buffing brush and then just blend that out. Got a dopamine. Nice highlighting there. Oh, it's got rid of those dark circles under there because yeah, I kind of been having late nights again. It's Netflix fault. Blame Netflix. The third To All the Boys I Love came out the other day. I had to watch it. I think out of the three, the first one's my favourite. I absolutely loved it. It was good, but I think the first one was the best. So yeah, they kind of finished it. There's going to be another one. I don't know actually. I hope not, because I think they're just going to kill it. Depends if there's any more in the book series. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, so I watched that. I'm on season 6 of Pretty Little Liars. So I used to watch Pretty Little Liars when it first came out, and I think I got to like season 3 and then I stopped watching it, and then all 7 seasons are on BBC. So me and Stavro started watching, well, Stavro started watching it and I started watching it back with him, and then I'm on season 6 now, so I'm watching everything that I haven't seen before. Okay, so that's all nice and blended in and made me nice and bright and wide awake. Right, once that's all done, so we're going to create a look using the Huda Beauty Rose Golden palette remastered. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh god, I love this. I hope I can create something nice. And I got this on the OO app for £20 and it's usually priced about £56, so got myself a bargain there, didn't I? Right, I'll tell you what else I need to do. Clean my brimming brushes. So let's go in with colour. Let's go in with Demir. So I spell Demir, which is this one here, and then just put that all over the lid just to give it a nice even tone and base. Rush, got a major league crush. And then on this lid, we're gonna go in rough, and then we can just blend it all out after with a bit of fallout. When you're next to me. So we're going to do like a pinky red, you know, Valentine's looking colours. What should we go in with? I actually think I'm going to go in with Man-Eater into the corners of my thing. And then I'm going to add a bit of pink in. And then we'll do some shimmer over it as well. Go in with Man-Eater, like a red. And we're just going to dab it here. Got my heart upon my sleeve. Can I hide the way I feel when you're next to me? Okay, so that's all blended out there-ish. And the same again on this eye. Yeah. And then you do a boo-boo, you just get your foundation brush and then just blend that out again, and then nothing's happened. Usually I put my foundation on last, but I just need to get my face covered because I just needed to. Yeah, but so the foundation's quite nice. I don't know if it's better. Didn't blend it out properly, did I? That's it. So yeah, I like the colour. It's really true to, you know, there's not much of a difference in the skin tone, which is nice. Then I'm going to go in with Doll Face, which is this pink here. And I'm going to put that just where the red is, and then we can just blend it in with the rest. Let's do this. I might just go in and then just blend it out here as well. Okay, and then we're going to go in with some, let's go with some rose gold, I think. Should do rose gold. Let's have a look. One bit, so it's got like a red tint to it as well. There's pink. Then we'll go for rose gold because I think that was more. I'm going to go with the red. So let's do that. Go in so soft. For you, wish I knew just what it was, but why should I make a fuss? Just stay next to me, girl. Maybe just go over a little bit with pink diamond as well. But I feel like I need to put a bit more red in because of the red lip. Okay, so that in the corner, and then I'm just gonna take, and I'm gonna put some mascara on, get my lashes on, and then we can finish off the underneath of the eyes. So I'm using the Spectrum's Dark Matter mascara. I love this. I think it's due for a new one. I'm just gonna coat my lashes. Next to me, girl. Something special, don't know why. Something special that I like about you. Okay, coat through my lashes. I'm just going to go off camera, put my lashes on, and I'll be right back. I'm back and I've put my... sorry about that. I've put my lashes on, and yeah, I hope you guys are liking the look. Is it Valentine's-y? Oh yes, you can make anything Valentine's-y, can't you? So I'm just going to go in now using whatever's on the brushes and go at the bottom of the lash line. About you, there's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define. And then go back in with some mascara on the lower lash line. So go in with some eyeliner. Eyes are done, I think. Put a little bit of highlight in the eyebrows, I think, so we can, yeah, so we're going to go in with bubbly and then just try and hide the eyebrows. Well, try and hide the fact that they need doing. Okay then, now let's go in with some bronzer and all that jazz. Going to go in with some bronzer. I need to decide what I'm wearing tonight. Thinking a nice black dress maybe, just, you know, glam it up a little bit. Bronzer done. Ooh, and then what have we got next to the lips? Eyes are done. Oh, now we're going to go in with the lips. We're going to do a red lip, and I'm going to go in with a lip liner from, is it Primark? Yeah, Primark. It's the shade Salsa. And then I'm going to go in with the shade, doesn't say, but it's the red lip luster, the red from Primark. It was in the Christmas box collection. Oh, well, put the lips on, of course. So now we're going to go in with blusher, because I forgot, and some highlighter as well. So we're using the Scott Barnes Chic Cheek palette, and we're going to go with the Revolution one. I managed to set them all out. And I'm going to take some Sweet Cheeks, a bit of rose, Sweet Cheeks and Strike of Rose, and then just blend that in. A bit too pinky, so we'll go in a bit more. He was just give it a good swirl and puts everything in, so I like that. Something special. I'm just going where my bronzer is as well. And if you feel you've got too much blusher, then just get your foundation brush, and I like to just go over it with the foundation brush just to blend that out. I don't like too much of a clown. And then we're going to go in with some highlighter, and I'm going in with the Doll Beauty highlighter palette, which looks like this. How gorgeous. And I'm going to take a highlighting brush. I think we could go with a little bit of, let's go with this shade here, like a champagne-y. You know what I'm like with my highlighter? Absolutely stunning. And then go a bit back to the blusher there. And there you have it, guys. This is my Valentine's date night look. I hope you guys like it. Got a bit bright, hasn't it? So I don't know what's happened there. Maybe it's because... So there you have it, guys. This is my Valentine's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you all have a lovely evening, and yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you all on another video on Beauty and the Kids. Bye.